recording?
Yes.
Rolling.
What's up, everybody? Dan the Man in the house. I want to welcome you back to Dan the Man's Weekly. Today is Wednesday, June 17th, 2015. We're live at the State Line barbecue restaurant at the after performance, and with me right now is Johnny Burke.
Hello, everybody.
How you doing, Johnny Burke? An amazing performance. Thank you so much.
Thank you
And
for having us here.
Get this! He just performed the song El Paso like an hour ago.
Yeah.
And then I said that was a cool song based in my hometown of El Paso.
Hey, spent enough time coming through here.
Yeah, that's what I gotta say. Thank you so much. You gotta check his website, JohnnyBurke.com.
JohnnyBurke.com, no H in Johnny.
Yeah, that's right. No H in Johnny. Just you gotta check out a couple of his albums. They're like cool albums right there. And then I gotta check a few of them out. So you guys please check it out. And he also has a Twitter, so follow him, and Instagram, follow him as well. And don't forget to like the page on Facebook. So
All three.
Johnny, thank you so much for coming by.
Hey,
please stop
Dan
by
the Man.
here.
You guys follow this guy? Y'all all know him? I mean, come on, he's doing so much for everybody around here. Love this guy.
Hopefully I'll see you again in the Spotlight of
Oh,
Hollywood, but we will meet again soon.
We will meet again soon, I'm
Thank you
sure.
very much. Alright guys, thank you. And y'all know what to do. Follow me on Twitter, message me on Facebook, be sure to subscribe me on YouTube, #Dan the Man's Weekly. Thank you, we'll see you guys next time. Until then, this is Dan the Man, Tennessee.
Signing out.
Signing out.